The main problem of robotics in the last 20 years is not hardware. We've learned how to make decent hardware. The problem is the brain. You can teach a robot to move boxes at the factory. Teaching him to adapt to a new room, an unfamiliar object, or an unexpected situation is a fundamentally different task. This is what NVIDIA Project GR00T solves. The GR00T is not a robot. It is a universal AI platform that works as the brain for any humanoid body. The architecture is called VLA, Vision, Language, Action. The system simultaneously sees the environment, understands text commands, and translates this into physical movement of the joints. Inside, the platform is divided into two circuits, similar to human thinking. The first is System 1's Fast Thinking, a module based on diffusion transformers that converts commands into smooth movements in real time without delay. The second is Slow Thinking System 2, a large multimodal model for logic, scene recognition, and multi-step task planning. Roughly speaking, System 1 moves its hand, System 2 decides why and where. A separate story is how this brain is trained. High-quality data on physical actions of robots is catastrophically scarce. NVIDIA solved the problem through virtual scaling. The GR00T Mimic tool takes a single recording of a person's movement, for example, captured via Apple Vision Pro, and automatically unfolds it into thousands of physically precise trajectories. GR00T Dreams goes further. Using a single photo and a text description, it generates full-fledged 3D training scenes based on the NVIDIA Cosmos AI engine. All this works in the Isaac Lab and Omniverse simulators, where the robot undergoes millions of iterations of reinforcement learning before first contacting the real world. The hardware is based on the Jetson Thor chip, designed specifically for GR00T models to work directly inside the robot. NVIDIA is also publishing a reference case design based on Unitree H2 Plus with Sharpa tactile hands, a ready-made template for research labs. The commercial version of the platform, GR00T N1.7, is not tied to a specific hardware manufacturer and can control robots from different companies. In fact, NVIDIA is building what the industry has long called the missing link, an operating system for the physical world.